This is a Wing Chun lesson for beginners. I'm going to be going over the basic Wing Chun punch and the center line. I'm going to start with the center line. First, you have your vertical midline. Dissects your body up and down. Okay. And next you have your horizontal midline. Dissects your body this way. Now where these 2 points meet, your vertical midline and your horizontal midline, where they meet at the center is your center point. For your body, this is going to be where these 2 planes intercept. Your center point is going to be right here. So for me, I know it's right here. Why is this important? Because your center line is starting at your center point. Your center line goes out to connect with the closest available target. This allows for a full 360 degree of possibilities for strikes. If I'm punching here straight out, going to the side, I can punch starting here to the side. Okay. If I'm standing facing this way and I want to punch behind me, I'm starting here, turn, punch behind you. Target's behind you now. So now that we know where our center point is and what the center line is, we can now move on to the Wing Chun punch. So the Wing Chun punch is a vertical fist, not horizontal fist here, vertical fist, and you want to try to be connecting with the bottom 3 knuckles. You don't want to be squeezing your fist, you want it relaxed but formed. My Qigong told us, imagine you're holding a little bird in your fist, and you don't want to squeeze it too hard. You also don't want to have it too loose where you let the bird fly away. So Wing Chun punch, vertical fist, starts on your center point, extends out along the center line to the closest available target. Careful not to lead with your fist, because typically that'll cause people to kind of reach. Okay? You're driving with the elbow out, very relaxed, very elastic. So you're not trying to really hard. Yeah. That's not how we punch in Wing Chun. It's got to be loose. So always lock it out, extend, elastic. Trying to connect with the bottom 3 knuckles, not the top 3 or the top 2. Okay, if you start trying to connect with the top 2, you're going to be punching down. And when you start chain punching, you're going to be punching down like this. You're going to hurt your wrist, possibly even break your wrist. And it's not going to be as effective because your energy is going down instead of straight into and through the target. All that cool stuff that you see, the chi sao, the wooden dummy, it's all based on the fact of throwing a punch, right? Delivering the punch and making bridge. You've thrown the punch and you've come to an obstruction. You now have to move around that obstruction. I once asked my Qigong at a seminar, Qigong, what's the best technique that somebody could practice on their own for Wing Chun? And his response was, just punch. Just punch. Okay? Basics are always best, and this is why I wanted to share this with you. So that's all for this Wing Chun lesson for beginners. If you're still watching, thank you very much. If you'd like to download a list of Wing Chun terms and their definitions, I'll leave a link in the description below. Let me know if you have any questions. If you like this video, be sure to give a thumbs up, share it out. And if you're ready for more Wing Chun lessons, be sure to check out one of these here, and I will see you over there.